Good evening to all of you. We are having this meeting in a very trying circumstances where we are living in a world full of uncertainties. Here I want to share some of my memories of the founder of this great Vidyadayini group of institution. It started in the year 1981 when my parents, my mother and dad, they thought of starting a very good model school to cater to the need of old city of Hyderabad. So my mother took it as a challenge. She was working in St. Xavier's High School as a teacher. With the salary what she used to draw, she used to pay to her school teachers. And with the minimum investment of 30,000 rupees, she started the school at 8A Old Santosh Nagar Colony. So during daytime, it was classroom, and night time we used to sleep in the classroom. So this first year we got 80 students. Later the strength got double 160, and subsequently 300, 500, and we shifted our school to the permanent premises behind Yadgiri Theatre. So every year there was a tremendous response we got from the parents of this old city, and there were a lot of activities which our school has undertaken, and soon it has become popular. And at that time most of the students, it was very difficult to get admission in Vidyadayini school. So later, after 10 years of schooling, then my mother thought, why not we give good education for girls? So Vidyadayini Girls College was founded, and subsequently Vidyadayini Boys Junior College. Then after 4-5 years, then we added Vidyadayini Degree College, PG College, and TMSS Women's Degree College. So like that, after that we had MCA College, and subsequently we started this MBA College. So later the MBA College was named after my mother and father, TMSS College of Management and TMSS College of Women's Degree. So in short, it was KG to PG. Now KCR is talking about KG to PG in couple of years. So they were great visionary, which they could conceive this idea and execute it way back from 1981 onwards. So it's a perfect learning of management lessons practically, like leadership skills, coordination, cooperation, team building. All these lessons are practically I have seen, which was done to the perfection. So my mother had a very big art of utilizing the resources to the maximum level, best utilization. And I used to remember, I don't know how you do that work. I want this thing to happen, and that to today. So that was the command and authority she used to have among the colleagues of our institution. So this how she could able to achieve a lot of things in life. Subsequently, all the institution were later joined by my brothers like myself, Mr. Manoj Singh, Pramod Singh, and Subodh Singh. So they were also played a key role in establishing NRI Engineering College at Bhopal. And at that time my brother has shifted from USA to Bhopal. Then they started engineering college there. And I remember my mother used to wash the classrooms there was heavy rain there. So that was the commitment of the lady, the great lady, who used to work hard from 9 to 10 o'clock. She was a perfect role model mother and a perfect example of a woman who can achieve a lot in life. So in short, I remember father when he was in tourism, he used to take me to the all protocols like VIPs visiting the city. So with that I had a very great learning and interaction with them. And he used to enjoy life by traveling every month to some new districts, some new places. and traveled so many countries. So the tourism department was perfect for him, for his travel was his passion. Now, the most important learning, what we can learn from their life is live life to the fullest possible thing and enjoy the life by traveling and visiting so many places. And this is a really role model for all the entrepreneurs, those who want to start their journeys. They can learn a lot from this sacrifice, from this involvement and commitment. So may my father soul rest in peace. And the need of the hour is unity and to have cooperation among all the family members so that we can reach greater heights. Thank you, one and all.